Boy, have I got a lot going on in this video today. I have grocery hauls, menu plan, and a little bit of a shop with me. For my first week of a grocery haul, I'm going to start us off with the meal plan. This week on the menu, we are having chicken Alfredo bake again. It's actually been for us a few weeks since we've had that, and Tim is highly requesting that. Garlic Parmesan chicken, some chicken buffalo nachos. Tim's requesting this one too. Again, it's been a few weeks since we had that. It was a huge hit. I have a video on this. I'll have it linked below. Spanish rice and sausage pasta. I've made this before. If I can find the video, I will have that linked below. And tater tot casserole. I just recently found a location where a Walmart and a Sam's Club is right next to each other, and I'm pretty excited about that. So I can pick up my order at Walmart, head on over to Sam's Club, which is right down the road, grab the stuff that I need in there, head home. It's all done. Bada boom, bada bing. It's a wonderful thing. Okay, I have Walmart on this side and Sam's on this side of the table. So we have some red potatoes. I have 3 green peppers, a little container of heavy whipping cream, a bag of shredded Parmesan cheese. Timothy loves this in his coffee. It's the Irish Cream International Delight Creamer. I needed a little pack of ranch seasoning, some stewed tomatoes. I got a couple cans of mushrooms, a can of mushroom soup, and a can of cheddar cheese soup, a jar of Prego roasted garlic parmesan. They have a few of them to choose from, but this one is usually one of our favorites. Some low sodium chicken broth, and I needed some garlic parmesan sauce. I have some pasta. This one is a rigatoni, and this is the penne. Some seasoned fries, tater tots, a big box, I didn't realize it was that large, of honeycomb, some Santita chips, and I'm out of Tabasco. Well, at least I couldn't find any, so I needed that. And Cooper is loving these. These are the little blue buffalo sizzlers, and they are bacon. Oh, he just loves them. For meats, I just needed 2 packs of chicken. Chicken is running $2.68 a pound, and Jason is out of his unsweet Gold Peak iced tea, so we grabbed some of that while we were at Walmart, at Sam's Club too. This week, I am doing something a little different. I usually will do 1 week of grocery hauls, but I decided to do 2 weeks of grocery hauls because honestly, I'm getting tired of running to the grocery store every single week. Years ago, I used to do 2 weeks of a grocery order, and it worked really well. Although sometimes the second week can be a struggle and I have to go pick up fresh vegetables. But anyway, I've decided to give the 2 week time span a try again. So I'm gonna show you my 2 weeks of meal plan first. We love breakfast for dinner, and I figured I could easily put together some sausage gravy and biscuits, and I'll probably throw some eggs in there with that just to round it out. I don't know if I'm gonna do potatoes or not. I may do those in the air fryer. Chicken fajita nachos, BLTs, we haven't had those in a long time. Grilled burgers, love us some pizza night, so I'm just gonna grab some frozen pizzas and have a really nice night in with pizza and movies, and then barbecue chicken. Our weather is absolutely gorgeous here for, I know for a fact, next week, hopefully into the following week. I believe we're in spring weather. One of Jason's coworkers had told him that March is spring for us out here because we just can't seem to wrap our minds around what season we're in. We've been having butterflies since we got here. So even in January, we'll be walking and butterflies are out just flitting around. And I'm like, wait, what? And my mind has been like, okay, what season exactly are we in? So apparently out here in the Austin area, it is springtime, and I am starting to see like rose bushes are starting to bud. Pink, flowery, gorgeous trees have buds and flowers on them. They're just gorgeous. So the weather is like 80s, 70s and 80s right now, and I figured, you know what? I'm gonna throw a couple barbecue meals in there this week. I mean, I'm gonna take advantage of this beautiful weather we're having. One of the meals is going to be a quesadilla casserole. I haven't made that in a while. Rosemary roasted chicken and potatoes, football chicken, Swedish meatballs, mushroom soup burgers, and spicy chicken sandwiches. Now the Swedish meatballs, those are really easy. McCormick helps me out with that recipe, and I just buy it right in the packet at Walmart. Mushroom soup burgers, though, that is just literally scrambled ground beef with mushroom soup in it. You can add mushrooms, you can add onions, you can have it over noodles. We don't. We put ours on a little hamburger bun, and it's like a manwich, but it's mushroom soup burgers, and it's just one of my favorite meals. As I was walking through Sam's Club, I spotted Easter. Oh, that just makes my heart happy. Big containers of M&Ms are just under $10. These cute little bunny baskets are under $25. And then these, I mean, seriously, you could put these together yourself if you wanted to, but how cute are they? $14.98. I swear, anything with bunnies and chickens on them melts my heart. I love seeing the spring colors on everything. Oh, look at these yummy chocolate bunnies. You get a 2-pack here for only $6.78. They have scented candles. I don't remember them having scented candles before. And in pretty pastel colors too. If you hide Easter eggs at Easter time, there they are, all filled with candy for ya. Little bunnies with cotton tails, Easter treats. Oh, okay, this really caught my eye. Those flowers are so pretty, and I've never seen this home sign before. This would be super cute on a coffee table or a dining room table. Good centerpiece. $29.98. But seriously, these are adorable. Wouldn't those be cute on just like an island or a bar? Ooh, Hershey's chocolate bunny. Yes, please. How much are these? $13.48. This grocery order is so large, it's gonna take me a couple different setups to fit everything in. So my first one I'm starting with is Walmart and Sam's Club. Look, Cooper is exhausted from helping put out the groceries. So I have eggs, a couple of colored peppers, and then I also have a green pepper, tomato, onion. Tim loves this. It's the International Delight Coffee, iced coffee, and it's the mocha flavor. He also loves this. It is the Irish cream coffee creamer. 2 packs of hamburger buns, a pack of brioche bread. I figured this would be really good for the BLTs. I think Jason and Tim will love that. Flour tortillas are tucked underneath there. A head of lettuce, milk, egg noodles, some Santita chips. Back here is a container of biscuits, just 2 little orange juices. I've been sipping on those for extra vitamin C right now. Some grilled chicken strips, famous seasoned fries. These are so good. Extra crispy shake and bake, peanut butter, Hatch green chilies, black beans, and 2 cans of tomato sauce. Back here is a can of mushroom soup. I needed some ketchup, apple juices. This is what we love for Swedish meatballs. We have a fajita seasoning mix, country gravy, and then we're out of our instant mashed potatoes. So I got a loaded baked potato and a home-style potato. Also a bag of potatoes. White Cheez-Its. We're going to switch gears to some Sam's Club things. So I got these chicken breasts. I seen Home with Haley talking about these, and I want to try them. You just cut them up, put them in salads, fajitas, whatever. And they're off grilled over an open flame. They're fire grilled, boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Black Forest ham, a big log of burger, $3.48 a pound. Bottled water, needed some bath tissue. They changed the packaging on the napkins. And I spotted these little babies when I was going up and down the aisles at Sam's Club, and I was like, oh, hello, you are coming home with me. We cleared everything off from the table, put it away really quick, and loaded the table again with Walmart and Sam's Club. This stuff is from Walmart first. I got the hickory smoked thick sliced bacon. Pizza night, I figured we would try these. If you tried them, let me know what you think. They're a croissant crusted pizza. Don't those look good? This is a 3 meat. And then this is a rising crust. It's just a pepperoni and a supreme. I have a pack of turkey bacon. And I also have 2 little packs of sausage. They're both just the regular sausage. Mild cheddar cheese. And then from Sam's, I needed 3 packs of chicken, and those are running $2.68 a pound. When I order a 2-week grocery haul, what I do is I tend to make all of the, I'll call them fresh meals, the very first week. So that is all my like meals with peppers and mushrooms, things like that that's fresh that I don't want to go bad. My second week, I like to go more toward canned type foods with like maybe mushroom soups in it, cheddar cheese soups, items like that. Then I know that it can extend from 1 week right into another. Also within that time span, sometimes I just need to bump a meal out or switch things up because, you know, life does get in the way. But if I do have a meal on my second week where I need fresh things, I'll just run into either H-E-B or Walmart, pick up those little bit of items. I shouldn't need anything like milk or eggs, but if I do, again, I'll just run right into the store and grab it. Some of the meals in my ends up being 3-week meal plan, I am going to have some videos with those meals in it, so make sure that you're subscribed, hit that bell button and get ready because I got some really good, delicious, if you follow Weight Watchers, low point meals coming your way. I have more grocery hauls for you to watch right here. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you soon.